Oh, hello. How's it going? Are you alright? I'm Driver Fede, and this is our small fleet. Even though that it's a little bit small, we know that time really matters, and you might be asking yourself, what's on today's plan? Well, today we have time-sensitive deliveries, and hopefully we don't get any delays. So, let's get rolling. Yes, so we're on our way. Yeah, let's get rolling. Everything seems to be fine. We're on the highway right now. Let's go the trucks. Bye-bye. Yes. And the day looks amazing, right? It's amazing. Good, good, good. Okay. So we have some music right here. Nice. So let's hope we don't have any... What? What was that? Okay, let's stop. Oh no, I have a flat tire now. What should I do now? Who should I ask for help? Well, hi, I'm Office Fede and I'm here to help you. But first, let me show you what would happen in this same situation, but without FleetOps. Go ahead and do as you would normally do. Okay, I'll try calling the insurance number.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later. 1 eternity later.
Okay, so now you know. Let's move ahead and try out FleetOps. You just need to take some pictures of the incident and send them via email to your Jira Service Management. And let's see what happens. Okay, I'll just send an email. So, as you mentioned, I'm sending this to the support team from FleetOps, and I'm going to add the 2 pictures that I just taken from the incident. There you go.
A few moments later.
Okay, I believe that we've already received it, so let's get to work. So the ticket has already been created in Jira Service Management. The pictures have been attached to the ticket, and FleetOps has added the relevant information from your track in the ticket. It even has added a comment with the actions required. And if we look into the asset information, we can see this vehicle belongs to the Madrid fleet, but if we need to add more information about it, we are going to be able to do so. Okay, so let's move on and change the status of this ticket to in progress. And after this, we'll let Fede know that help is on its way.
A few minutes later.
Nice! It's already fixed! So cool! Let's get going! Yes, we're on our way, and the deliveries will be on time. Yeah! Let's crank the music up a little bit. Yeah! Cool, I'm really happy that the issue has been solved. But it's not only this fix, because with FleetOps Rovo Agent, we learn from the incidents. Let me show you. In order to do so, we just need to ask Rovo. As soon as Rovo is loaded, just browse for the FleetOps agent, and if it's not there, just look for it. As soon as it loads, you will be able to search with FleetOps agent. For example, how many incidents we had in the last 6 months. And as soon as Rovo does its magic, we'll have some results. So after this last piece of magic, let's close this ticket as resolved and done. There you go. That's pretty much it. So this has been a demo for FleetOps for the Atlassian Codegeist. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for your consideration. See you soon.